I'm going to show you how to remove the background of a video using AI in CapCut. We're going to replace this cold, snowy setting with this tropical beach video. This is a quick video that I shot talking about showing you how to auto remove background using AI in CapCut. So let's go ahead and get started. Let's delete this off the timeline, and we're going to drag the tropical beach background and use it as the main layer on the timeline. Then we're going to take the clip of me talking and drag it on top. And I'm just going to go ahead and clip the bottom one just so it matches up with the top. And then I'm gonna zoom in a little bit, about right there. So this is super easy to do, again, using CapCut AI. Just click on the top clip and go over to video, remove BG, and simply click on auto removal. And you can see CapCut AI is now processing it. It's already at 25%, so it goes pretty quick. Already at 50%, we'll see if it can match it up, right? So this is just a video I took outside, again, very cold out, and there we go. That looks pretty good. Incredible, you can do this without a green screen. Let's go ahead and hit play. I'm gonna show you how to auto remove the background of a video using AI. So it's that simple to replace the background of a video with a different video, or you can use an image as well if that's easier, using CapCut AI background removal. If this was helpful, please leave a like and consider subscribing for more tutorials. See you in the next one.